Okay, student. Now look at this. This is another a new type of the integration, exercise 5.3. So evaluate integration of 4 e power x minus 25 upon 2 e power x minus 5 dx. Now ये टाइप के सम को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं? देखो हम what we are going to try to do, we are going to try to substitute this numerator by something. Now by what? Look over here. We will substitute this numerator as a into the denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. A into the denominator plus b into the derivative of the denominator. This is how we're going to substitute. Right? So the numerator को copy paste कर देते हैं. Numerator क्या है यहाँ पर 4 e power x minus 25. That can be written as a into denominator. What is denominator? 2 e power x minus 5 plus b into derivative of the denominator. So derivative of denominator क्या है 2 e power x minus 5. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ये यहाँ पर लिख देंगे a into the bracket 2 e power x minus 5 plus what is the derivative plus b into what is the derivative of the denominator 2 e power x minus 5. So derivative of 2 e power x would be 2 e power x and 5 k derivative is 0, so nothing to worry. And then now that is nothing but 4 e power x minus 25. Now we'll have to compare. Okay, we have to get the values of a and b. Now how to get the values of a and b? Let's understand. Let's understand over here. So this can be written as a 2 e power x plus b 2 e power x minus 5a. You understood? First of all, we took all e power x wale terms together and minus 5a separate. Okay. Now, if we'll go on solving, you'll understand over here this 4 e power x is equal to, you can copy paste this over here as it is, the way it is written over here. Copy and paste. Okay, so I'm just copy pasting this left hand side. You can again paste it, and I can paste it over here also. Okay, now what is going to happen over here on this right hand side? What is happening over here? It will become 2a plus 2b into the bracket e power x. What I am doing? I am taking out this e power x common outside. You understood, students? I have taken out e power x common outside minus 5a as it is. Minus 5a as it is. I hope students you understood till here perfectly. Show thumbs up. That's nice. Yes, everyone's showing thumbs up. Okay. Now, students, look at this. Now, if we'll compare, what we'll have to compare? The left hand side and the right hand side and the coefficient of e power x. What is the coefficient of e power x on the left and the right? Yes, perfect. So 4 is equals to 2a, 2a plus 2b. 4 is equal to what? 2a plus 2b. Now that we got, because the coefficient of e power x has to be the same of the equations, isn't it? And then there is one another constant. And what is it constant? Minus 25, minus 25, minus 25 is a constant which is equals to minus 5a. So students, if you solve this equation, what will happen? This minus and minus will get cancelled. Get this 5 down. So 25 divided by 5 will become the value of a. So fantastically, we've got the value of a, and that value of a is nothing but 5. And once you'll get the value of 5, what you'll have to do? You'll have to plug this value of a in the equation number 1 in this place. You got it? So what will happen? 4 is equals to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 or 2 into 5, that will become 10 plus 2b. I hope you got this. And that's nothing but, that's how you can calculate the value of b. So what will happen? Get this 10 on the other side. 4 minus 10, and that's become 6. 6 divided by, okay, 4 minus 10 is equals to 2b. So 2b is equals to minus 6. So b minus 6 divided by 2 will become the value of b. So b is equals to minus 3. Did you all get this? What is the value of b? B is nothing but minus 3. 2 ones are and 2 minus 3s are, isn't it? So once you get the value of a and b, now our task is over. now our task of getting this value. Okay, I'll just copy paste it so you'll understand. Okay, now what is this numerator? Numerator we can substitute as like this. Let me just show you. Copy, and I'm just pasting it over here on the downside. I'm just pasting it over here. Paste. Okay, why I copy pasted over here, you'll shortly understand. So the numerator is 4e power x minus 25 now can be rewritten as 5 times the denominator 2e power x minus 5 plus b into, okay, so instead of writing b, what should be written, what should be write, students? Negative 3 into the derivative of the denominator. Derivative of the denominator is 2e power x, isn't it? And now, student, you can copy paste. Okay, we got the numerator's value as something like this. We got the numerator value as something like this, isn't it? I'll just change the color so that I will understand. So this numerator 4e power x minus 25 can be replaced now this. Are you getting it? 5 into 2e power x minus 5 minus 3 into 2e power x. Got it? Is it very simple? So now the new integration will going to be written as integration is equals to I is equal to the numerator. So the numerator is 4e power x minus 25 now can be written as this entire thing. You understood, guys? Can I copy paste this? Yes, I can copy paste it. Copy and paste downside. Look at this. I got the numerator. And what about the denominator? The denominator you can copy paste from here as it is. You got it, guys? Did you get it? Okay, copy and I'll paste it over here. I hope you are understanding. I'm just replacing the stuff from here and there. Okay, and that's really super duper easy. And now, students, what is this? This is separating the numerator. Now, how you can do this? Separate. So, this integration can be rewritten as integration of 5 bracket 2e power x minus 5 whole thing upon 2e power x minus 5 dx minus 3 integration of 2e power x upon 2e power x minus 5 dx, isn't it? Now this is derivative of this, so f integration of f dash of x upon f of x क्या होता है आपको सबको पता है, isn't it? And this will get cancelled, so integration of 5, look at this 5 will go out, and integration of dx minus 3 integration of, what is this, f dash of x upon f of x, सोचना पड़ेगा, 2e power x upon 2e power x minus 5 dx, and it is super duper simple, isn't it? One moment. So now what will happen, now this will become simply 5 x, because integration of dx is simple x. If there is nothing, that means there is x. Okay, integration of x, I mean integration of dx is just an x plus c, but plus c I'm not writing at the moment. I'll write down over here plus c. Okay, and what will happen over here, minus 3 integration of f dash of x upon f of x. So if integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx, what happens? That is nothing but log of mod of f of x, isn't it? You've learned this, plus c, and then that formula I'm going to put it over here, log of mod of 2e power x minus 5 plus c. I hope you understood this sum perfectly, isn't it? Don't worry, in case if you've not understood something, you can surely raise hand and you can ask me. We will do at least one or two more sums of the same type so that you'll get enough practice of this standard type of integration. Okay, so show thumbs up, student. That's nice, fantastic, good. You can do something. Okay, I'll just zoom it out and you can copy paste this sum quickly in your book, guys. So copy paste this sum perfectly in your book. I know some part over here, in case if you're not understanding, you can surely ask me immediately. Okay, hold on for a moment. So guys, let's begin one another interesting sum which is lying on your screen. So start solving. Okay, so what you can do over here, you can start like this. Numerator can be written as a into the denominator plus b into derivative of a denominator. Okay, derivative of denominator. So what is the numerator over here? The numerator over here is 20 minus 12 e power x, and that can be rewritten as a into the denominator, that is 3 e power x minus 4, plus b into what is the derivative of this? So derivative of the denominator 3 e power x minus 4. And then now student, what is to be done? It's just simple ongoing process. 12 e power x, just go on solving. Bilkul be done nahi hai. A into 3 e power x minus 4 plus b into what is the derivative of this 3 e power x, that's it. Because basically 3 is constant and e power x का derivative है a power x itself, minus 4 की derivative होती है 0, so कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. And in case guys, if you don't know how to find the derivatives, go watch my derivatives channel or derivatives playlist. You'll get all the videos of playlist uh, in the playlist of derivatives. Okay, now let's move ahead. What is to be done? Okay, now many people get quiet. Sir, we don't know how to do this. So simple. Look at this. 20 is a constant and e power x coefficient is negative 12. So what is to be done, guys? What is to be done? We'll have to simplify this right hand side. We'll have to simplify this right hand side and we'll have to compare the coefficient. Nothing big that, isn't it? So we can do that a plus b, look at this, a plus b into the bracket 3 e power x, because 3 e power x यहाँ पर भी है, 3 e power x यहाँ पर भी है. So I could do that a plus b and minus 4a and minus 4a. Now we can compare the constant with the constant. So what is the constant over here? The constant over here is 20 in the left hand side and the constant over here in the right hand side is negative 4a. So I'm writing 20 is equals to negative 4a. So we got the value of a as negative 5. I hope you got that. Constant a is negative 5. And now what we're going to do that? We're going to compare this negative 12 e power x with a plus b into 3 e power x. So 3 e power x and e power x will get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 fours are. You can get this downside also. Okay. So negative 4 is equals to a plus b. Once you've got these, negative 4 is equal to a plus b, we'll just plug the value of a as negative 5. Now, how to plug the value? So negative 4 is equals to negative 5 plus b. So get this negative 5 on this side, so it will become negative 5 will become 5 minus 4 will become 1. 1 is equals to b. Once you get the value of a and b, almost we're done with the step number 1. So what is the step number 1? Numerator is equal to a, plug the value into the denominator, plus b into the derivative denominator. Isn't it? So simple, guys. So simple. So the numerator, what is the numerator over here, guys? Over here, the numerator was 20 minus 12 a power x. 20 minus 12 e power x. That can be written as a. A was negative 5. Negative 5 into the denominator. So what is the denominator? The denominator was 3 e power x minus 4. Shh. 3 e power x minus 4. 3 e power x minus 4 plus b, so that is plus 1 into the derivative of the denominator. Derivative of the denominator is 3 e power x. I hope you understood how I can write the numerator as like this in format, isn't it? I hope you understood. So this is the numerator and that we can write in this format, isn't it? One moment, guys, one moment, hold Okay, students. Some people are saying, sir, our values of A and B are reversed. So, guys, what you are doing, you are not comparing very carefully. So, comparison should be done with e power x on the left hand side and the terms of e power x on the right hand side. Okay, so these two should be compared and these two should be compared. Are you getting it? If you'll compare vice versa, like these with these and these with these, then your answer will be reversed. So just check that out, guys, and then see your calculations. Your calculations should match with my calculations. Okay, now guys, it's a very simple stuff. Let's copy paste the integration. The integration was this, isn't it? One moment, I'll just copy paste it over there. So this was the integration. One second, I'll just copy paste only the sum. So this integration now we can simply solve as like this. Look, this was the integration sum, isn't it? I'll paste it over here. Now this I can be solved as like this. This can be written as, look at this. Now, instead of writing 20 minus 12 e power x, I'll just copy paste this form, isn't it? So I'll just copy and paste, isn't it? Copy and paste. So I got the numerator. What about the denominator? I'll have to write the denominator as it is, 3 e power x minus 4 dx. Did you understand, guys? Anyone has any doubts? You can surely ask me till here. And then now, guys, now what can be done? We can separate the numerators. So this I simply can be written as in two forms. Negative 5, 3 e power x minus 4, whole thing upon 3 e power x minus 4. Separating the numerators, guys. This step is called as separating the numerators. Integration of 1 3 e power x upon 3 e power x minus 4 dx. It's super duper simple, isn't it? Because this will get cancelled. Student, isn't it? Pay attention on the screen. So this, okay, I missed this dx one here. So negative 5 x plus, one moment, plus log of mod of 3 e power x minus 4. Why this I could write? Because there was nothing. Okay, there was nothing. So negative 5 integration of dx can be written as x. I hope you understood this part. And this was integration of f dash of x upon f of x. What that becomes? Integration of f dash of x upon f of x becomes log of mod of f of x plus c, isn't it? And that's it. All the sum is done till here, isn't it? I hope students you enjoyed learning along with me this entire sum. In case if you have any doubts or difficulties, surely you can raise your hand and you can get the clarity or how exactly this sum can be done. In case if you have any difficulties, you can put in the comment box also. Guys, I hope you learned very well and you finished writing till here. If not, you can pause the video and copy paste the sum. In case if the answers like this A and B are reversed, just check the comparison part. You will get the correct. So, all the best, guys. See you in the next video with application sums of this integration. Now, guys, we have learned almost most basic stuffs of this integration part, and now the videos will go on in the application parts. So we've learned already the basic formulas, basic factor, like those finding a value and b value, that is called as partial fractions. We've learned how to do that e power x. We've learned f dash of x upon f of x. We've learned that 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon x square minus a square, 1 upon root x square minus a square, and those all type of formulas. And in the next video onwards, all the things will start becoming like all we'll have to combine all stuff together. So I request you all, before watching the next video, please practice your 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 thoroughly. Then only you'll understand the integration chapter henceforth. If you have not done that, then please do not watch ahead. First of all, practice that really very well and then only watch it. Chalo, take care. So see you in the next video with the application of 5.4 onwards. Okay, till then, bye bye.